Hi guys. Today I will show you how to create this in webflow. Let's create section for our content. Set height to 100 VH. Then, make position relative for our section. Set the background color. Add content wrapper. Give it a class name. Set position to our wrapper to absolute. Choose full. Go to Layout panel and choose Flexbox. Select Align Center and Justify Center. Add another div. Give it a class name. Set weight to 200 pixels and height to 60. Set position to relative. Let's fill our button. You can free to decide what color you want. Add a text to button. Go back to our main button div, then choose Layout, Align Center, Justify Center. Recolor our text. Select our main button div and add another div block. Move to position and select absolute, then choose full. Fill it with color. Oh shoot! Our text gone. But don't worry, we can fix it in 1 second. In Navigator, select our text. Then, move to position, select relative, and in index field set value to 1. Done. Select our second color div block and set weight to 0%. OK. Open Interactions window. Select mouse hover. Then select Start New Animation / Add New Animation. Rename it. Good. Go to Navigation window and select out second div block. Select Actions and add Size option. Set white to 100%. Change duration time, let's say to 0.3. Choose easing, you can choose whatever you want. OK. In Navigation window, choose our text. And add text color in Actions menu. Change it. Set duration to make it pretty. Hover in effect ready. Let's make hover out effect. Select hover out. Then duplicate our hover in animation. Select copy. Rename it. Select first action and set weight to 0%. Select text color action and set text color to white. And button animation done. Thanks for watching.